Hi Librans, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of July 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle decks. This is the Vintage Wisdom Oracle card by Victoria Mosley. We also have a Love Oracle deck right here before you. To conclude this reading, I will use Archangel Raphael for a final message. To conclude this reading, I will use Archangel Raphael deck by Doreen Virtue. Librans, please keep in mind that these are random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July 2021, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Gains was quite likely for you, Librans. I think communication had brought in good news. You were definitely elated to get what you had desired. Incidentally, many of you may have been quite temperamental in this period as well. Maybe you were losing your cool more often than not. Perhaps you were also being accused of being meddlesome in this time. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that July is going to present for Librans worldwide, is the King of Cups. It's quite likely that Librans you'll be called upon to seek legal help or maybe even medical assistance. Perhaps you're going to deliberate with somebody or seek advice from a senior person. This is also the energy which you could embody this month. Maybe you're going to give advice to other people. Basically, this time you have to find solutions or you have to find alternatives to the problems that you're encountering. You should also follow your instinct because this is the cup energy which makes you quite emotional and intuitive. I think you should act slyly and get ahead. Sometimes, you may feel as though your family members are not supportive of your plans, but then there are other people who are going to support you. Influences for this month, we have the Six of Swords. I think you should capitalize on the energy flow. You may find things falling in place at the last minute. Maybe you are undecided whether you should proceed or not, but then towards the 11th hour you will make the move. So this is why there's going to be some kind of travel or movement also in this time. Your schedule could also be going for a toss, so you need to be very flexible in your approach. You have to be on your toes and you have to sail with the changes. Possibly many of you are also dealing with official paperwork. Maybe you're dealing with legal documents or licenses. I think you should act and you should make the most of the energy. The first 10 days of July for Librans, we have the Strength card. Definitely surprises are in store for you. Possibly you're somebody who's going to get your past dues. Besides, you're also going to be appreciated because you're very easy to talk to. You're somebody who's weighing the pros and cons. You don't jump to conclusions. Rather, you're also not forceful. Incidentally, Librans, this is also time to let go of people whom you no longer require in your life. Minor irritants apart, this is going to be a very fruitful and productive period. I think while dealing with clients also, you're going to ignore those who are going to pay a pittance or they want to extract more than their pound of flesh. Maybe they could accuse you of being indifferent while you will blame them for not paying up. Nonetheless, the work pressure is going to mount on you. You will be stressed out, but then you will be able to complete a lot. I think in this time, you should also brace yourself because there could be malfunctioning gadgets or maybe internet connectivity is quite poor. So this means that your progress is being hampered a bit or there could be delays that you have to deal with. I think your superior is also somebody who is going to saddle you with excess work. So you need to be prepared for long hours. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th July for Librans, we have the Four of Cups. Emotional discontentment is quite likely in this time. So it means that you could be a bit temperamental. You need to watch your words. Maybe you could be argumentative or you could be crying at the drop of the hat. Ideally, I think Librans, you should listen to what others have to say rather than become emotional. Sometimes, you may feel that people are self-centered or they are two-faced. Nonetheless, there'll be those people who will hear your side of the story. Librans, financial issues could also leave you stressed. Maybe you think your pockets aren't too deep. Besides, money or resources are being denied to you. Nevertheless, I think family elders will come and rescue you even if they have misgivings. Those of you who are on the lookout for jobs, I think there could be outstation offers, but they may not excite you. Maybe the job profile is not akin to what you're doing presently, so it's not exciting enough. I think you could also be a bit bored with your job. That is why you want to look for other avenues of income. Maybe you want other employment opportunities. Those of you who are working, I think you should be prepared because your schedules could be disrupted in this time as well. Sometimes, you may want to take rest, but then later on, you may feel as though you have wasted your time. That is why you're going to push yourself and you will carry on with the task. In this month, Librans, you can expect help from your trusted aides. Maybe responsibility is also going to increase because your superior is not around or your workers are not around. There'll be new clients as well. Some deals could be finalized very quickly. I think banking work will also take up your time. Towards the final days, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Ideally, I think Librans, you should collaborate, you should cooperate with others, as collaboration will definitely bring in gains. Communication will also increase. I think awards or rewards are also going to come in because of your past work or because of your efforts, and this is not going to go unnoticed. Basically, the administration is going to praise you for your contribution towards the workplace. Librans, you're also being called upon to work on your interpersonal skills. Maybe even you should polish your skills to get better at work. I think you have to bide your time in this period. You have to wait for the opportunities to come. Still, you will manage to complete a lot of the tasks that are at hand. Paperwork or technical work is also going to increase. You will be arranging data or you may be arranging the papers. I think while dealing with officials also, you will find that they are going to be helpful or they are going to be kindly disposed towards you. Even on the home front, you could be decluttering. Maybe you want to improve your living quarters. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be repair on the cards on the home front. With respect to your love life, Librans, we have the card Please Stay. Possibly you're dealing with somebody who wants you to be there in his or her life. This person wants you to stay. He doesn't want to let go of you. Single Librans, I think this person wants you to accept the proposal. I think he feels that time will slip away, but then you may feel that there are limitations. That is why you may feel it's best. If he wants to move on, he can do so. Incidentally, there could also be unwanted attention coming your way this month. Maybe there'll also be marriage proposals on dating sites or matrimonial sites, but then you feel that there's no compatibility. That is why you will distance yourself from these proposals. In case Librans, you're in an unacknowledged relationship, I think you should not come across as someone who is being too persuasive. Sometimes, you feel you have reached a dead end. You feel that even if you have tried hard, this person is not making the effort. Nevertheless, you believe it's a soulmate connection that you're dealing with. Those of you who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you will be somebody who doesn't like the distance in this connection. That is why you're going to reach out to this person. But you will not be disappointed. In fact, this person will be quite delighted to hear from you. Romancing Librans, I think this month you desire commitment from this person. You feel that you are hanging in thin air. You don't want to carry on with this romance if there's no commitment. Sometimes, you could be a bit detached. You do want to give this relationship time and space, but you also want answers from your person. Those of you who are in a covert relationship, I think you want to discuss the same with your family elders, but then you could be in two minds. But you should be careful, Librans, because somebody could talk about your secret romance. This is why you may also have revenge on your mind. At times, your lover or your person could be away on account of work. So this means that there's a physical and emotional distance between the two of you. I think you will be missing the frequent conversation. Married Librans, I think your partner is going to be quite demanding and wants you by his or her side. Maybe you will have reservations about your spouse's travel plans this month. Some of you could also be dealing with a suspicious partner. I think there are times when you want your person to be proactive. You want him to oblige you immediately, but then His lax attitude could see you fly off the handle. Perhaps you should be patient with him, or you should grin and bear. Sometimes, work could also keep the two of you very busy. That is why conversations could dry up. In case yours is an extramarital relationship, I think this person could be scared of the fallout of this relationship, but you desire commitment from him. Nevertheless, you will be quite emotional, or this person could also share some sad news with you this month. In case yours is an unhappy connection, Librans, you could be reduced to tears as your spouse could take spites on you. Maybe he is in a sour mood, he's quite querulous. The relationship could be quite oppressive. Sometimes you feel that your person expects you to be under his thumb. Incidentally, this month, Librans, I'm also picking up that estranged people could also re enter your life and they could disturb the family peace. So you need to watch out for that as well. We do have this card, New Beginnings. Perhaps this card here which says, please stay, means you're walking out or you're walking away and it's time for a new beginning, or you should look for new opportunities as well. I think you're entering a new phase of your life. It's time for a fresh start. It's time for new results. I think you're somebody who's not going to hold yourself back. You want to take that leap of faith. For some of you, it could also imply relocation or movement or even a career change. You do want to turn your aspirations into reality this month, Librans. You want to feel in control. You do want to do away with those relationships which are stressing you out. The card in your reading is meditation from the Archangel Raphael healing cards. I think you need to focus on meditation and pray. It will calm you down. It will soothe your words. Besides, positive intention can do you a world of good. Some of you need to sign up for yoga classes, or you can even make yourself to a retreat and meditate in the quiet surroundings there. This will also give you new perspective this month, Librans. I hope, Librans, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.